Alright, what's up guys? So, welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. So, ngayon guys, susubukan na nitong Yamalob na PIA Carbon Cleaner. So, ano to guys? Bali, i-full tank mo yung motor mo. Tapos bali, i-mix mo to sa gasolina mo. So, kaya ko ginawa to kasi may plano akong mag tune up ng motor kasi 24,000 udo na. So, ito yung mga tools pag tune up. So, tapos carbon, total body cleaning, tapos ipay cleaning. So, para hindi na tayo pa-ipay cleaning sa machine kasi mahal yung bayad doon. Ito yung gagamitin natin para malinis yung makina natin. So, ito yung PIA Carbon Cleaner. Isasabay ko yung valve clearance, tapos yung total body cleaning. So, ngayon, ilalagay natin itong PIA Carbon Cleaner sa natin, Sniper 155. So, ito yung for petrol engine, restore power and reduce exhaust emissions. Tapos, bali 30 ml. Tapos, yung nakalagay dito, it provides rapid clean-up performance throughout the entire intake system. So, yun nga, intake system dun sa amin. Sa total body, tsaka sa fuel injection yun. Tapos, it efficiently removes deposits from the fuel metering system component. Tapos, specially formulated fuel detergent with PEA, polyethylamine to suit your Yamaha vehicle. So, sa mga Yamaha vehicle daw. Tapos, add to your tank prior refueling. Tapos, use every 3,000 km per 3 months. So, meron itong mga dito, caution guys. Flammable, keep away from heat, spark, open flames, hot surfaces, no smoking. Wear protective gloves, clothing, and eye and face protection. Store in a well-ventilated space. So, tara guys. So, ito yung udo. $24,600. So, pasok natin. So, yan guys. Ayan. Full tank yan, So, lagay natin. Ayan guys. Parang unleaded, kulay green. So, alright. Update na lang kayo sa yung labasan nito pag maubos yung gas.